Namaste and welcome to this video. I am going to take you on a journey to different parts of our country where people are all set to celebrate the colorful festival of Navratri. Navratri, as the name suggests, is observed for 9 days and 9 nights. The 9 forms of Goddess Durga are worshipped during these 9 days. Let me take you to the north of our country where we have our capital. Well, in North India, Navratri is marked by the Ram Leela event. Very popular among the urban and rural centers. It depicts the story of Ram and Ravan, which is enacted by various artists. Pandals or temporary stages are built in order to celebrate the victory of good over evil. Statues or idols of Ravana are placed in various places. The festivities include songs, narrations, recital from the Ramcharitmanas by Tulsidas. Ram Leela is particularly important in cities like Ayodhya and Varanasi, mainly situated in Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, and people just dedicate these 9 days to these celebrations. We also have Ram Leela in Vrindavan and various other places like Almora and Satna, which fall into the central India area. As we all know, Navratri in the West is celebrated in the form of Garba and Dandiya. Well, mainly in Gujarat, where people await this wonderful celebration. Garba is a graceful form of dance where people gracefully dance around the Garba. Garba actually means the womb, and this Garba or the clay pot has a lamp which is lit continuously for the 9 days within it. It represents life within the womb. Dandiya is another form which is played with sticks made out of bamboo. Navratri is one of the state's main festivals. I'm talking about Gujarat. Garvi Gujarat, as we say. Let's travel to the eastern side of our country, where the last 5 days of this Navratri are celebrated as Durga Puja in West Bengal and Northeast India. Devi Durga is shown with various weapons, riding a lion and destroying Mahishasur. West Bengal celebrates this festival with great pomp and show. A very important and major social festival for all the people who live in eastern and the northeastern states of India. This festival dominates the religious life of the people. Let's move to the south and see how the South Indians celebrate Navratri. Well, they decorate their home with the small dolls and figurines of various gods and goddesses and call people home to celebrate along with them. Wishing all of you a very colorful and safe Navratri.